For this problem, we're being asked to find the range of this type of a picture. Now, range, let me go ahead and just define that really quickly. Range is the outputs. In our case, the outputs are referring to the y values. So what we really want to do is we want to look at the amount of y values we have represented in this picture. So what we really want to do is focus in on the lowest y value and the highest y value. Let's start with the highest y value. I can see from the picture that it looks like it achieves a high right here. And when we're talking about y values, that would be a value of 1. So for this picture, I would say that it has a high value of positive 1. And when I'm looking again at the picture, it looks like it achieves lowest value at two different points, right here and right here. And both of them happen to be the same y value, which is negative 1. So I have a high of 1 and a low of negative 1. Now, I want to write this in interval notation, my range. And using interval notation means that a bracket would mean that we're allowed to equal the point, that it's actually on the graph, and a parenthesis would mean that it doesn't actually equal the point. Now, I'm going to end up using brackets for both the 1 and negative 1. I'll be using a bracket for 1 because it clearly achieves a value of positive 1 right here at this point. And it does achieve a value of negative 1, in particular at the right end point, right there. So because it does in fact equal negative 1, y equals negative 1 at that end point right here, then we can say that it is brackets.